Yo, what's good, YouTube? So here again, bringing you guys another video, and today I'm going to talk about the Air Jordan Pine Greens and the Air Jordan 6 DMP. Y'all already know what time it is. The Air Jordan 6 DMPs with the gold dog tag. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This quality, the clear bottom soles. Yo, this nubuck, even though it retails at $200, definitely a cop. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yo, these are fire. Definitely a must cop. Don't sleep. Make sure you guys, you know what I'm saying, cop these joints. Oh man, I don't know why Jordan Brand be doing this to us. Got that gold box, half gold, half black. This is what I'm talking about. This is fire right here. Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens, they're not re-releasing, but it's kind of like a new revamp of the colorway. It's going to come out in February 29th with a retail price of $170. The shoe, you know, I think they executed this shoe fairly well. It hasn't, I know a lot of people have been complaining about 1's lately and the colorways and the material. Don't sleep on these. These came out very well put together. I was able to see them on hand. Yo, these are fire, fire, fire. Don't sleep on those. They're gonna be a GR, a great cop for the beginning of the year. The only thing that sucks, they do retail $170. That's the only thing that sucks. That is a $10 more jump than it was before. But, you know, even though the quality is still good, they come with red laces, which I personally wouldn't put red laces. I just keep them black. So yeah, as you can see, you know, the shape of the shoe, the overall craftsmanship, the quality, you know, overall, I saw them firsthand. You know, I'm definitely gonna cop. Definitely a great shoe to have for the upcoming year. Definitely sleeper. People aren't talking about these. They're not reselling for much. I think you get them a little bit over retail on StockX and GOAT. I'll probably put the price here. I can't really remember because I haven't checked recently. But yeah, they're definitely a great shoe. I would compare them just to the UNC in Chicago's, like, because I saw them both together, hand in hand, and the quality, the tumbleness it's on point. It's definitely a great shoe, and don't sleep on it. So next we have the Air Jordan DMP 6s. They're re-releasing again. I haven't really got a confirmed date yet. I've heard that it was supposed to be January. Then it got pushed to February. Now it might be in maybe March or early April. I haven't got the exact day as the moment that I filmed this video. I don't know the exact day. But yeah, the quality of the shoes actually not as bad as I thought it would be. The nubucks, I can think of kind of a nubuck material, is not as great as I thought it would be. The price point is $200. And, you know, when you open the shoe, the presentation is good. It reminds me just of the new 3's just released. It has a half gold trim to it, and the other half is all black. The box is, you know, it's pretty decent. You know, not a lot of people don't care about boxes anyways. But overall, the shoe was good. It comes with a gold, like, dog tag. And I can't remember exactly what it says, but, you know, it came out pretty good. Overall, I thought it was a good craftsmanship, a good quality shoe. I don't know why Jordan Brand is re-releasing the packs. I personally would rather them, you know, have the shoes come out together like they did back in, I want to say it was January 28, 2006 when the first DMP pack with the Jordan 11 and the 6s came out. Yeah, so it's been a while. It's definitely, you know, well-deserved, but I really think that they should have came out together. They're going for, I think, $280, the new release, around $280, which is only like a few dollars over retail, plus shipping, maybe slightly like $90, $95 over retail, which is not too bad if you really want to get them early. Overall, I think people should wait. It might be able to cop a lot easier than most shoes, just because I think they're not going to be GRs, but they are going to have just as many pairs as the Air Jordan 3 SEs. So right here, I got my GMP 6s, which, you know, they are worn a little bit. They're not too heavily worn, but yeah, you know, I can't wait to rock the DMP, just because you know, my GMPs are already like, it's the same color blocking for the most part. But yeah, my GMPs, you know, they're not that bad actually, because I wear all my shoes. But this is definitely that's definitely a colorway. And I definitely like that Jordan brand is revamping. But yeah, like I said, don't forget the pine green ones come out January. Don't forget the pine green ones come out February 29th. And I think most places is through raffle. If not, might be able to go first come first serve. But most places are doing a raffle. The DMP 6s, I'm not sure if they're going to do a raffle or they're just going to randomly release. That I'm not sure yet. But don't forget to cop those new releases. Comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my link down below for my Angelus. So, you know, once again, enough people to buy from my link. I'll be able to use as a discount code for you guys. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my videos. And I see you guys to the next one. Peace.